Hello, welcome to the session on dismantling, overhauling and assembling cross-slide and hand slide of the lathe carriage. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to dismantle the compound rest from the cross side, remove the carriage unit from the machine bed, assemble and test for functions. The required tools and materials are lathe machine, spanners, tap wrench, Allen key, kerosene, bunion cloth, lubricating oil, torque wrench, cleaning brush, safety goggles, gloves. In order to dismantle lathe carriage from lathe machine, turn off the power supply to prevent accidental startup. Then, unscrew the tool post locking handle and remove the tool post from the compound slide. Before removing the feed screw handle, examine the handle and its surroundings for obstructions or debris. Then, rotate the feed screw handle of the top slide in an anti-clockwise direction to get it released from the dovetails of the compound slide. Now, take out the jib from the dovetail of the top side. Unscrew both the clamping nuts from the T-bolts provided on the swivel base of the compound slide and take out the unit. Remove the taper pin to remove the graduated collar of the compound slide. Take out the jib strip from the dovetails of the cross slide so that it can be made to slide out easily. Once the taper pin is removed, inspect for any sign of damage or deformation. If the pin is damaged, replace it with a new one. Now, disengage the lead screw from the cross slide. Then, unscrew the lock nuts from the cross slide feed screw to remove the graduated collar. Now, unscrew and remove the saddle clamp. Then, slide away the tailstock unit and take it out of the bed. Similarly, slide away the saddle unit towards the right end to take it out of the machine bed. Clean the parts thoroughly with kerosene oil. Then, wipe them with bunion cloth and keep the parts in tray. Now, visually inspect the components for damage and wear. Then, lubricate the parts with lubricating oil. Once all the parts are lubricated, reassemble the saddle by lowering the saddle onto the lathe bed. Then, insert and tighten the saddle mounting bolts securely. Then, insert and tighten the tailstock unit onto the lathe bed. Reassemble the saddle clamp and test the saddle's movement to ensure it slides smoothly. Then, install the jib strip and test the movement of the carriage to ensure it slides smoothly. Once dovetail is assembled, fit feed screw handle by simply screwing it back. Ensure all the handles are securely tightened, but avoid over-tightening. Once all the parts are reassembled, turn on the power supply. Finally, check the function of the lathe carriage. Let's recap the key points discussed. Dismantle the lathe carriage by removing the tool post from the compound slide. Once the saddle clamp is removed, slide away to remove tailstock unit and saddle unit in sequence. Clean the dismantled parts using kerosene oil and inspect for damage and wear. After lubricating the parts, assemble them in reverse sequence and check the function. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about dismantling, overhauling, and assembling cross slide and hand slide of the lathe carriage. See you in the next session.